Hey, where my melodies at? I'll be honest, I had to go and Google what your guys' fandom name was because I actually don't know this one. Usually, even if I'm not in the fandom, I know just because of Tumblr and through passing and stuff. But I know of BtoB. I remember when they debuted, and their song was pretty good. I think I have had like 2 or 3 songs by then. Probably 2. More like 2. Let's be honest, more like 2. Like their music video and stuff, but I don't know them that well, so I don't know names. So if I insult your bias, if I fall in love with your bias, just hear me out. I'm apologizing or fangirling with you ahead of time. I did download their new album, the BtoB Bang Bang, and it's actually pretty good. I've only listened to it like a time or two, just a quick run through while I'm doing stuff, but I believe this song, Beep Beep, I think I like this song off the album, so hopefully the music video is just as good. So the YouTube user JBCray asked me to react to this music video. So JBCray, thank you very much, and keep me in cray. Yeah, so thank you for requesting something, and I would be happy to do whatever you guys ask me to do. So without further rambling from me, this is my reaction to BtoB's Beep Beep. Well, Kill Bill reference. Advertising. Something. Oh. Oh. Get out the road! That's what they're saying. They're actually in a car shop. I kind of like this setting. I don't think I've seen that setting in a K-pop music video yet. The curly hair has got to go. Your voice makes up for it, though. Oh, he reminds me of Pixie Boy from BtoB, from Beast. His voice. Oh, yeah. Okay, usually cars don't do it for me, but they look pretty good on those cars. His voice does not match his face. Yeah. Yeah. Get it. Oh, they're wearing the same outfit. That's why they're arguing on the front doorstep of the girl they're supposedly both dating, and they're like, I can't believe you wore the same outfit as me. It's probably not what's happening at all. I just really like this song. Oh, stop fighting, gotta dance. Oh. Oh. Spanky Girls came out from nowhere. And now they're gone. I'm so glad that they showed up for 5 seconds of the video. Oh. Oh. You can't not have like the pretty like white soft lit thing in a music video, right? And now there's a party at the car shop! The girls are back. Less spanky. Oh, everybody knows the dance, because obviously. Oh no, the cars! How cute! That's so cute! Oh my god, how adorable. I hadn't seen him since the beginning of the music video. Is this song about a car? Oh my god, I want one. The curly hair! Oh. Oh, get it. Oh. How many times in dance practice do you think they hurt their feet doing that? Like they just hit their toe too hard? I think about these things, you guys. No parking area. Obviously, you're inside a house. You can't park there. Why are you so mad? You should know. You should know. Well, I really love that song just because it's so catchy and the rapping is really, really good. And, I mean, the music video wasn't anything super different other than the car shop setting. I like that a lot. I think that was cool. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it made me want to dance along with them and learn their names. It was good though. That was fun. So I'm glad that they had a good music video that didn't ruin the song, because when I got the album and I listened to that song, I listened to that song more than the others. And the music video did not ruin it for me. So that's good. You guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you get an album and you're like, oh, I really like this song. And then you find out that they're coming out with a music video for it. And then you're kind of like, oh, like it really just really sucks. Not that I had an idea of what it needed to be, but it was good and it was fun. And there were Spanky girls. So, I mean, like, when I say Spanky girls, I mean those Spanky panties. Yeah. So thank you for the suggestion, JB Cray. Really appreciate it once again. Also, I should be having an announcement hopefully this week about AWIN Radio. So please stay tuned for that. See like a video of Miska and I, and we have something to tell you. So please watch out for that, and I'll see you guys next time.